Okay, so you want to know how to use your inbox properly. Right now you can see that I already have 2 new messages in my inbox. So we click on the inbox and that will take me to this place, to this page. We don't want to translate it. To make sure that yours won't count these messages as new messages when I come back, I have to click on them. This is just explain something. And this is also explain something. Now you see that those numbers have changed. So if we reload it again, you see that they're all gone. I don't have new messages right now. To delete a message, I click here and click on delete message. Now it's deleted. And to delete everything, I hit this box and click on delete. But I want to keep these so that I can search sometimes. In this box you can search for something. So if I only want to have a look at messages from this person, or let's take this person, that's the easier name, then I will type in her name and I will only see the messages of her. Okay, and if I want to reload or refresh the page, I clicked here, but you can also click here. This will show you the amount of new messages, and you can click on reply message to reply to the message. For these messages you can't reply, so if you click on it you will be redirected to the page itself. But if we have a look at these messages, you can click on go to comment to have a look at what they've said, and then it will be highlighted. So that's it.